Good morning, traders. How's everyone doing? Well, let's do a quick update on BTC and Ethereum also. If you watched my last two videos, we were talking about the naked daily point of control, which was sitting up at about 111,600. Let's have a quick look at that. We can see that this was actually shown in last video. Also was shown in the trading chat, trading Telegram group in the last few days, saying this is more likely the target, and we can see this big massive candle coming up, and it wasn't the greatest move, it wasn't the greatest push, and it just, we didn't have any news announcements, we didn't have any reason to go up. It just looks like a liquidity sweep, guys. Straightforward liquidity sweep. So what actually happens now? Well, what we want to be looking for is consolidation. We want to see a healthy retracement back into these red boxes here. Why these red boxes? Because we have single prints. This was yesterday when we had our private live stream where all the students, traders took a trade with me live, and we took some good profits at about 111,856, but we left a lot of single prints. These are single prints. So I'm just making this video as the move was happening. Tape's going crazy. Level from last week. Naked point of control tapped. So the naked point of control was tapped. And even if you do miss these setups, it's good to join the free Telegram group, because you do get some private live streams where you can trade with me and take advantage of these moves. Now having a look at the price action at the moment, I am currently in a short position, and I've taken that short over on KCEX, which is an exchange that I am testing currently. I will be adding to this short. I'm not asking you to do the same thing, do your own research. And the reason is very, very simple, is that we have a lot of imbalances, single prints, which I'm targeting as well. But more importantly, I'm going to be looking for some long positions in this zone, and the short is really a hedge position. I'm fully aware that we can go up a lot higher, because if we have a look at the liquidity, we do have liquidity at 113, and 113 to 114, and quite a lot of short liquidity still remaining at 1112. Now, with also we have a pull high as well, and on some of the exchanges like Bybit, BTC USDT, we haven't taken that high out. So we really want to see a retracement back here. We want to see where we can actually have a look at some long positions. It's quite important that we do hold this weekly open. If we do lose the weekly open, it's not looking that great. We do have another naked daily, which is 2 days old at 108,222. Could we come back here and bounce off here? Yes, that would be fine. It'd have to be a sharp move in, take out this naked, and get acceptance back above the weekly for a continuation up, where we can look for some long positions. Yeah, there are some scalping opportunities here, but those scalping opportunities really depend on order flow. Do we have buy pressure coming in? Do we have these buyers stepping in? So we are consolidating here, and let's just have a quick look at this level here. This is a monthly level, monthly open. If we do lose this level and come back down, it's not going to be looking good, because we'll probably get a retracement, get rejected, and then looking at 104 zones. We don't want to be hold. We want to hold this area here of the range. So ideally, we don't really want to lose 108, 200. We can come down, take out the naked daily, find acceptance above the weekly open for a continuation up. Really depends what happens. I do see price going up from here, but I don't see it like just going up like that. If we do, then that's fine. I will close my short position in a small loss. Actually, I want to add some to that as well. Turn that into a 1 Bitcoin position. So yeah, we want to see some of these single prints get filled, fair value gaps, etc., for a continuation down. Retracement down for a continuation up. So the levels I'm going to be watching are my 2 red boxes, weekly open, naked daily. Moving over to Ethereum. Ethereum, we actually gave the, oh, 1 second. I just want to show something to you guys. So we did actually give the setup on July the 8th, long setup from these two price levels. A lot of my students did take this and actually had a bit of a sort of roadmap as well, how we would come and attack that liquidity. That played out to the T. Perfect. And one thing I do want to stress is these are not really long positions that you can just come and take blindly. You must look at order flow, whether it's on Atos or XO. And I will be doing a new webinar on XO and Atos. So if you'd like to join for free, contact me in the description below. Ethereum, we gave some two trade setups. Setup number 1 was at 24.84. Setup number 2 was at 25, just say 2500. So I am currently in this position already, and I haven't taken any profits just yet because I am going to be adding to this trade in these blue boxes here, which is approximately, let's say 2600. And if we do get the opportunity to come back down to 2500, I'll be looking for some spot buys as well, because Ethereum is showing some strength, and I do see higher prices for Ethereum, maybe 29 to 3000, 31. If we get to 35, oh, then it's really good. I'll be looking to take some profit at 3000 and also at 35 as well. So we want to see, we do have fair value gap here, so let's just put alert here, and we also need to put alert here as well. So we want to see a retracement, come back down for a continuation up. Very easy to trade Ethereum, simple, you know, a blind man could trade this. Right, okay, so yeah, I'm holding that long position. If we do get wicked up, I'll take a loss. It's not a problem, because we did make a lot of money on the long positions, and as you know, I have been shorting Bitcoin in every opportunity, so I've taken like 15-20 short positions, but those have all been scalp positions. So this is a bit of a risky trade. Do not copy me, do your own research. I've taken it because I can see what's going to happen here. We are possibly going to come back down. I will be taking some profits in these boxes here. I'm putting my stop to the entry. We want to hold this weekly level. We don't want to lose this. If we lose this, it's not looking good then, because we can just come back down to the monthly open, and then it'll be a retracement back up to come lower. So ideally we want to fill these single prints today, and this needs to happen today, not tomorrow, the day after. Really needs to happen today. So that's all I have for you for Bitcoin, to be honest. So any further updates, you can follow me on X, where I do update, and also on the Telegram, free Telegram trading channel as well. There are some useful videos you could watch on my channel. This is a very good video. It explains why I think we're going to get to 130. And this is a order flow video, how I use order flow and automation to my advantage. I will be making some more strategy videos as well, so check those out when I do upload them. We do have some sponsors of the channel. We have PHEMIX. That's a very good exchange. Now, if you do, you can trade with no restrictions. If you do click on my link, you can get an account with no restrictions. And both BYDFI and BITUNIX have no restrictions and KYC free. I am currently using both of these exchanges, and also KCEX at the moment as well. Very good exchanges. BYDFI is actually doing a very good limited deal. If you do deposit $100, you get $50 bonus, $500, $100, $1,000, $200. This is very good. $1,000, $200, but you can use that for your trading. If you're a whale trader, if you deposit 5,000, you're going to get $5,000 bonus. 10,000, 1,000. That's a really good offer. And 20,000 for a whale trader, 2,000 bonus. Links in the description below. And they are a non KYC, and US and Canadian traders can use this exchange as well. There are some of the benefits of opening the account with my link. You get free indicators, free access to various platforms that I'll be building, and also Telegram trade setups and education center. Another good exchange which I've been using, exclusive offers that we have, is very similar to the one I've just shown you. Is that on this one here, they do give you extra bonuses for trading volume as well. And this is a limited time, 27th of June to 26th of July. Deposit $1,000 and you get $200 bonus. Deposit 500 and 100. So both are very similar exchanges. Both are very, very good. Both have good liquidity, and I'm using them on a daily basis. So links on the description below to both of these exchanges, and also PHEMIX as well.